Guys, I'd like you to meet Danica.
You again.
Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Welcome to the vloggers. Enjoy! Vloggers, this is Sir Mark, a Secretary of Autism Society Philippines Antipolo. Yes. Ano ba meron dito sa event na to? What is event all about?
It's all about Dingdong Avanzado's Golf Tournament. So dahil birthday ni Sir Dingdong,
Yes.
so meron siyang pag-golf tournament. So yun, and magbe-benefit, merong benefit dito para sa ASP Antipolo.
Okay. I think he is a supporter of autism, right?
Yes, of course.
Vloggers, I have friends here. What are names?
Aaron,
And her name is?
kapatid.
And?
Mia.
And lahat po ng officer ng ASP Antipolo. Yes. Are you excited?
Waiting for you to sing.
Oh!
Wait to hear you sing.
Good luck me. Vloggers, this is Arnold Clavio. How are you?
Well, I'm fine. This is a good cause.
Yes.
Yun,
He
I
is a golf player, actually. Di ba, usti ka?
Yeah, UST.
Yes.
Uste.
And thank you for support of my friend, Mikey Bustos.
Of course. Si Mikey.
Sa guest po ng Tonight with Arnold
Tsaka
Clavio.
yung BFF niya.
Yes. Si Kuya RJ Garcia.
RJ,
Yes.
oh, yeah.
Pagkibati po yung mga vloggers tsaka yung mabuhay squad dyan.
Mga Igan, at si Igan to. At enjoy your day. Just ingat lang lagi. Health is wealth, ha? God bless.
Follow him on Instagram.
Yeah, Instagram. Ako si... Wow, you know,
Ako si Igan. Yes. Thank you.
Thank you. God bless.
Vloggers, this is Jayda Avanzado, a daughter of Jessa Jayda and Dingdong Avanzado.
Hi everyone!
Say hello to vloggers and the Mabuhay Squad.
Vloggers. Hi Mabuhay Squad!
Yes, the group of Mikey Bustos out there.
Ah, really?
Yes.
Hi! Hello po sa inyo.
Kumusta?
Okay naman.
Grabe.
Ikaw?
Okay naman po din, kinakabahan ako kumanta today.
Huwag ka naman. Enjoy mo lang.
Okay, so kindly promote your song because you have an original song, right?
Yes. Yung EP ko, it's called In My Room, which is out now on Spotify. That's 5 songs. That's also on Apple Music. So tingnan nyo na lang po yan. Pati yung mga music videos sa YouTube channel ng Star Music. So, yun.
Yes. So, ladies and gentlemen, Jayda.
Yay!
Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you are meant for me. I'm madly in love with you. Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you are. I'm madly in love with you. Baby, one for me. Baby, you are meant for me. I'm madly in love with you.
Tony, my friend!
Si God po na nagbigay sa akin ng talento.
So you're using God's talent
Yes.
and sharing your gift to other people.
Yes.
Alright. So sino ang OPM artist na hinahangaan mo?
Jayda?
Sino ulit? Sino ang hinahangaan mong OPM artist?
Jayda.
And is she ready?
Yes. And Jessa Zaragoza, my cousin's idol.
Ah, really? Where's your cousin? Is she here? May inggit siya sa vlog ko pag napanood niya, I'm sure.
Pag-ibig mo nadarama, para lang sa'yo ang sinta. At hindi inibig sa iba. Dati ang puso ko ay laging nag-iisa. Ang ikaw ay dumating. Lahat ng bagay. Iba't ikaw siya namulat sa aking mga mata. Iba't ikaw ang naman. Ang saya. Iba't ikaw Maraming po salamat. Isang salamat sa mga bless you.
I love you, girl!
Nila i-wave di ba? Pero hindi, alam ko, pinaghihirapan naman natin to. Saka importante nag-enjoy tayo. But thank you for this. Maraming salamat.
Thank you very much for coming sa lahat po ng mga sumuporta para sa third Dingdong Avanzado Golf Classic. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga sponsors. Lahat halos ng mga sponsors dito, mga kaibigan namin, lalo na kaibigan ko. Huwag niyo masyadong dalian yung pagsingil sa akin ng kapalit, ha? Okay. Thank you very much sa inyong lahat.
Vloggers, this is Jessa Zaragoza and Dingdong Avanzado.
So just head on here and we are now ready to give out another batch of raffle prize.
Do you know what? Jessa Zaragoza.
Alright, sponsored by J10 Sports, we're gonna give away 4 Hathaway.
That is so true, yeah.
Vloggers. Ay, naku, nanginginig na ako.
Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Yes!